What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a very special day. It is Sunday, which means it's time to get back into the market tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and make our money. We have so much opportunity this week, so I don't want you guys to miss out on this. Okay, but before we go ahead and get started, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. We have a ton of great plays, so I don't want you guys to miss this once again. And also, to watch every single video when I post it, make sure you go ahead and turn on post notifications. Guys, Coach has some amazing plays this week and the upcoming year of 2025. So guys, thank you guys so much. And also remember, leave a like on the video, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what are you going to be doing with the giveaway money. Guys, I'm giving away $1,000 and plus another 1,000 because we hit 7,000 recently. Guys, I know I said it would be Sunday, but I gotta go ahead, push this back to Monday. Okay, Monday is actually when I'm gonna draw the winner, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna give you guys one more day because of those people who didn't see the video on Saturday. Okay, so today we have a ton of stocks. Like I said, let me know. Okay, also let me know if you guys are gonna join me on the 1K to 100K challenge. Okay, we're starting up this challenge, guys. I know you guys want this. Okay, so let me know down below if you guys are excited. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the plays. Okay, let's go, guys. I have pulled up ticker symbol NVDA. All right, NVDA is sitting at 136.52. We're just gonna hop straight into it. So it is down 0.36% overnight. What's the play with this one, guys? Coach is gonna be looking for a break of 138 for Nvidia. We're looking this one to shoot up to 140. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, take a look at trade options. Okay, we're gonna be taking a look at, guys, take a look at this. All right, I know this is gonna be a quick video, but Coach just has to point this out, guys. Look at this. The new strikes are for the new years. And if you guys didn't know, okay, Wednesday, January 1st, the stock market's going to be closed. So it's going to be a short week once again, but that still means we can make some money. Okay, so let's go right here. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, the 140 calls, all right, are sitting at 135 for the bid, 138 on the ask. Okay, we're going to say around 140. Okay, 140 calls are worth 140. If Nvidia goes ahead, breaks 138, I'm going to be taking a look at taking a call position on Nvidia. Okay, guys, that's the first play. And also, guys, if Nvidia breaks its 135 support, okay, we have to talk about that. If Nvidia breaks its key support level of 135, Coach is going to be looking at some puts. So let's go ahead and trade options once again. Let's go ahead and go for January 3rd, 2025. And we could take a look at possibly, let's go ahead and go for the 132 put. Okay, sitting at 0.88. So Coach wants to make money both ways, guys. This is for Nvidia, and we have a ton of other stocks to go through. So just showing you guys real quick, up 1% the past week. There is huge breakout potential in Nvidia, guys. Nvidia is a very bullish stock short term. Let's go ahead and make our money on Nvidia, and let's get to the next stock. You guys know, since we talked about Nvidia, we have to talk about AMD sitting at 0% overnight. So guys, with AMD, okay, we're coming across a crucial level for AMD. So take a look at this, up 4% the past week, guys. AMD. I'm going to be looking for a break of 126, okay, to take calls. Similarly towards the Nvidia position, right? We're looking for a break of a range. So for AMD in this case, okay, it's going to be that 126 range. If I see AMD breaking 126, I'm going to be looking at, okay, Coach is going to be looking at the 130 calls for AMD, okay, sitting at $76 right now. So guys, take a look at that. If AMD goes ahead, breaks its support at 123, guys, AMD's support range at the bottom is 123. Okay, if it goes to 122.50, for example, Coach is going to be looking, okay, for those 120 puts sitting at $62, right? We make money both ways. So if the market decides to take a bearish turnaround, Coach is on point. Okay, we keep these levels in our head. We don't trade, we don't gamble out here, we trade with the plan. Okay, so that's really important. I need you guys to take this into consideration. Okay, take consideration both ways. You never know what will happen. Trade with the chart, not your heart. Okay, I gotta say this again, trade with your chart, not your heart. Okay, guys, so that's AMD. And guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. All right, guys, next up we have ticker symbol TSLA sitting down almost 1% overnight. This one has a huge catalyst this week. So if you guys didn't know, Tesla is going to be reporting its Q4 delivery numbers. So this is huge. It's going to happen pretty soon throughout the week. So with this one, okay, if Tesla goes to 114 through the 420 level, if Tesla hits 415 or 420, okay, Coach is going to be looking for a reversal on Tesla, right? If Tesla moves down below 410, Coach is going to be looking for some puts. All right, I anticipate a bit of a rally in Tesla throughout the later of the week, okay? Monday, Tuesday, we want to focus on playing NVIDIA, AMD, and even more stocks I'm going to be talking about in this video. Tesla is going to be a play, okay? If there's a dip buy, Coach is going to be looking into it. But since it ran up a bit, okay, we want Tesla to cool off and do a reversal, right? Attempt a reversal for the remainder of the week to get that anticipation for the Q4 delivery numbers, guys. This is no small stock Tesla, guys. It's sitting at 428.09. I need you guys to keep an eye on Tesla, okay? This one is very volatile. Once again, if Coach sees Tesla hit around 415 to 420, Coach is going to be considering looking at calls, okay? If it goes to 410, if it's bearish, we're going to be looking for the downside on puts. All right, so that's Tesla, guys. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. We're rapid fire. We're going through. Hopefully you guys are still here. If you guys like this video so far, make sure to drop a like. Let's go, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol Meta Platforms. We're looking a break for $600 on this one. Take a look at the 1 week. It ran up all the way to 612, dumped all the way down to 590. We're reclaiming back our levels of 620. So with a break of the resistance at 600, guys, 600 is a big level for Meta, so don't underestimate it. Go ahead, take a look at trade options, okay? If Meta breaks 600, Coach is going to be looking for the 605 calls and even the 610 calls, okay? I'm looking around those strikes. If Meta decides to break 610, I'm looking at all sorts of stocks. So that's why in this video we're getting rapid fire. We're looking at every single stock on the board, okay? And for puts, if Tesla rejects 600, okay, goes down below 595, Coach is going to be looking for the 590 put sitting at 440, okay? So keep that into consideration. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. All right, guys, next up we have ticker symbol RBLX. Coach is going to be looking for a break, okay? I know it's at 59.58. Coach is going to be looking for a break a bit above $60 because of the fact that we're in this tight coiling area of 59.58. Take a look at this, down 1% in the past week. 2 Mondays ago, Roblox actually rose up about 4 to 8%. So we're looking good on this. We're consolidating. This is what we want to look to take a trade. We want to see some major consolidation before we go ahead and break that resistance, okay? We're looking at a level of about 60.20 for calls on this, okay? I'm going to go ahead and hit trade options. Let's go ahead and see what the call options are. Sitting at around $30, okay? $61 for Roblox. I typically want to play closer to the money, if that makes sense. A lot of the other companies above, like tech, are valued way too high, right? For the options. Speaking of the fact of options, I want to give you guys cheap plays, right? A lot of you guys in the comments especially have been asking for cheap plays. So take into consideration Roblox, okay? It did not break 60 on Friday. If I see this break 60, maybe hit 60.20, Coach is going to be looking for some calls, okay? So let's take a look at this. $61 call sitting at $51. Take a look at that right there. And also the $62 call. And also, on the contrary, if Roblox breaks this $58 level, I'm going to be looking at the $57 put, okay? But I love the look on Roblox because it's been consolidating for quite a while. So guys, while you're ahead at it, take a look at RBLX. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. As this stock has been amazing as well, consider taking a look at ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at $255, down 0.74% overnight. That's pretty small for Apple, guys. Apple has been amazing this past month, guys. See this? Every dip in Apple, right after its rallies, keeps getting bought up. This is incredibly bullish for Apple. I don't see any major key signs of a bearish reversal for Apple, so I'm focusing up on Apple this week, and in the past weeks I've been also focusing up on Apple. So guys, take a look at Apple. Okay, we're going to be looking for the 260 next. I know like last 2 weeks or last week ago, we were talking about the 250 calls, and wow, time flies fast, right? We're looking at 260 right now. Take a look at this, okay? For the January 3rd call option, I'm actually going to be looking, instead of the 260, okay, Coach is going to be looking for the 255 calls. If we break it fast, Coach is going to be looking at the 260 calls, okay? But for the 260 calls on this one, I genuinely want to look out to January 17th, 2025. So there we go. 260 calls are at 265, right? So I'm looking at that. If Apple goes ahead, breaks 253, Coach is going to be looking for some puts, okay? So we're going to be looking at the 250 puts, which are valued at $66 right now. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock, guys. All right, guys, we're going to have the last two stocks right here. So first of all, we have ticker symbol RDDT. Guys, we have Reddit stock right here. This one has been pushing amazingly since IPO. Take a look at this, up 20% in the past month. On the week, it is down nearly 1%. 3 months, it is up 155%, guys. This one, if it can push, if it can break over 155, coach is going to be looking for those 180 calls. Okay, we have relative strength and Reddit is down 1.32% overnight. Take a look at this. Okay, I'm going to hit trade options. Take a look at this. Okay, 180 calls are sitting at $4 right now. If we see some strength in Reddit, coach is going to be taking a look at these calls. Okay, these calls are worth $4 at the moment, right? So that's the play for Reddit, guys. I'm not really looking for any downside on Reddit just yet. I know we talk about puts. I have enough stocks to take a look on puts on. So with Reddit, we're going to stay away from puts. For calls, I'm going to be looking for a break of 155. Okay, so take a look at Reddit, guys, and let's go ahead and go to the final stock. All right, guys, last up we have ticker symbol TGT. Target is sitting at 135.48. Okay, you might be wondering, coach, why do we have new stocks? Okay, we can play any stock in the stock market. Okay, so coach looks at a lot of stocks daily. They're going to go ahead and change, right? There's so much stocks in the stock market we can go ahead and trade, invest in. So take a look at this, guys. Target is up 3% in the past week. In the past month, it is up 3%. Okay, so take a look at this, guys. Why are we looking for calls? Okay, first of all, guys, I'm going to be taking a look at calls for Target. Okay, but I'm looking for calls for a break of 137. All right, you might be wondering, like, coach, what happened here? Why did it go from 156 all the way down to 125? And guys, that's what happens when, you know, earnings doesn't go its way. Okay, but we have a thing called, okay, there's a gap fill, okay, for Target. Take a look at this. Okay, you see this right here? Take a look at that. All right, 156 all the way down to 121. If Target can break 137, okay, we can make a gap fill. Okay, a progress towards that gap fill to 140. So I'm going to be taking a look at trade options. All right, take a look at this. I'm going to be looking for the 140 call on Target. Okay, maybe just a few weeks out just to give us some time, but they're sitting at 159 currently. So I want you guys to look at the calls 2 weeks out for Target. We're doing a long play with this one. Okay, you could day trade it, but for Target, I want some more time to get that gap fill in. Okay, so take a look at the 140 call sitting at 159 currently. We're going to need 5 points for that, but pretty solid right here. Okay, we get a lot of momentum. We got to break past 135, right? You're seeing right here this resistance at 136. We need to break through 137 to keep continuing that gap fill. If you guys have any questions, go ahead, leave it down below in the comments. And guys, Target right now, okay, sitting at the year down 4.63% in the past year, but has some solid potential to make some insane gains for all of us in the 1 to 100K challenge. Okay, I went over a lot of stocks today. We're doing the 1 to 100K challenge. Let me know if you guys are excited, and also hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to join the giveaway. Okay, coach went through a lot of stocks today. Hopefully this video helped you out. We do videos just like this every day, so if you want to see more of these videos, click right here. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and coach will see you all later. Coach out.